A third tool that I built for the CORD19 dataset is the preview results tool, and this is just a way to preview the results that you download from the CSV file. And once you download it, it's saved to a CSV format, obviously. And since you don't want to like go back and reconstruct this map every time, you can just save all those results, and you can later on come back and have an easier way to preview all the results that you got by doing that analysis using this gap map in previous steps. So what you have to do is click on this choose file button and choose the CSV file that you downloaded to your local machine. Alright, so now I have loaded the CSV file into this tool. So here's what it's going to show you. So mostly it's mostly the important information. There's the title, and then there's the link where if you click on it, it will take you to the page where you have the the actual research paper, the journal paper's actual page. And you can also see that it shows the auto generated summary, and then you also have the option to choose which term was used to select the risk factor and the outcome and the study type. And you can see that you can do that on an individual basis, that is, you can do that for each result individually. And the more important feature that I wanted to show you in this results preview is you can see that there's this tiny sort of grayed out link out icon over here. What it will allow you to do is, if you click on it, and of course there was some error with this particular result, and it's good that it showed up on this demo because that also happens sometimes. So what I'm going to do is click on a different one. So notice that it's actually loading a dynamic page which has a sort of a reconstructed view of the full text of that research paper, and also on top of that it's going to show you the place where that particular sentence is occurring. It's sort of highlighting the search result within the context of that particular paper. So I clicked on the sentence, the expression and distribution of ACE2 changes with age and is influenced by several diseases. And when you look at this inspect page, you can sort of see that in context, and that actually gives you a good way to see if the results that you got were accurate and it's appropriate. In other words, was the tagging of these results done by the algorithm in a proper way? Like, was it accurate in the way that it was able to decide if this risk factor and this outcome was a part of this particular paper? So that's what it allows you to do, this inspect feature. And sometimes it also fails. You will find that there was some error, and there are also some occasions when it doesn't load any page at all. Sometimes it even shows a 404 error. I've not fully figured out what's causing that, but that's the preview results tool. And one thing I wanted to point out is that this link out feature, where it will allow you to see the sentence in context of that whole paper, it's also available within the dynamic evidence gap map tool. You can see that it's also showing up in the summary sentences, and again it's also available in the search results in the custom search engine. The thing is that it shows up in the auto generated summary, so you have to select the summary checkbox to be able to see those links. So that's the other tool that I have built for the CORD19 dataset.